Oh shit. Yo, that's fucking cool.
And maybe get better deals. Look at this one. Oh, so.
Like this. Oh my god. He's probably falling asleep behind the wheel. There's no way you could, like.
They gave me an air splint for my leg.
So you got a split for your leg, but not for your neck.
Mm-mm. They said it's mainly muscle.